Join me as I make a bite-sized, crunchy Italian appetizer that has a pillowy, soft gnocchi filling. These tasty treats are great dipped in a fresh marinara or a cheesy Alfredo sauce. Crispy gnocchi bites. I have a large pot here that I've placed on high heat. I filled it up about 3/4 of the way up with cold water. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon for some flavor, and then we're going to bring it to a boil. Next, you're going to add 16 ounces of gnocchi to your boiling water. I'm going to follow the cooking directions on the back of the container. Mine says 2 to 3 minutes or until floating. The gnocchi is now done cooking. I'm going to drain it, rinse it in some cold water. Then I'm going to place it on my cooling rack here for 5 minutes. While the gnocchi is cooling, let's prepare our breading. I have 3 shallow plates here. In our first one, I'm going to put a cup of flour. And then to season the flour, I'm going to add a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. In the second plate, I'm going to scramble 2 eggs. And to the final plate, I'm going to add 2 cups of Italian breadcrumbs. And to kick the breadcrumbs up, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Our gnocchi are nicely cooled down and they have a slight stickiness on the outside. We're going to start off by placing them in the flour first. You want to roll them around in the flour, making sure they're evenly coated. Next, I'm going to take the gnocchi and place them in the eggs, and you want to evenly coat them just like we did in the flour. And then you want to cover your gnocchi in the breadcrumb mixture. I'm going to place these back on my baking sheet while I complete the remainder of the breading process. You're going to need a large skillet of some type. I'm using a cast iron. I filled it with a 1/4 inch of peanut oil that I've brought to 350 degrees. I'm going to place 12 gnocchi in my hot oil and let them cook for 1 to 2 minutes. You want them to be nice and golden brown. And here's what they should look like after you've cooked them.